Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a what's in my bag video for you guys. So if you would like to watch the video, then without further ado, let's get started. Before I start the video, I will put the link of the previous what's in my office bag video in the description bar so that you guys can go check that out. That was my unorganized version, and as you may know or you may not know if you haven't watched the video, a lot of things came out of that bag and it was really crazy. So I decided to clean it up and then organize all the things that were there, and now I have this bag here with me which is really very organized, and this is the one which I carry always. So let's jump on and see what's in my bag. So this is the standard black bag which I use every single day, and I will just open the bag. It has one big compartment and it does not have a front pocket or a back pocket, so I keep everything here organized. So this is how the inside of the bag looks. I don't know if you guys are getting a good view of this or not, but this is how the bag looks from inside, and now I'm going to show you what all are there. So first I will start off with the middle section here, and then I will move on to the chain here and then the small compartments there. So first thing that I have here is my wallet. This is the wallet that I use every day. It's just your normal standard wallet and it has all my cards and some cash here. Then I also have a pack of Origami Aloe Vera moisturizing wipes. I keep this in my bag because you never know when you need this, because every day in the pollution you do need wipes which are refreshing for your skin, and this definitely come in handy. Then I have a cute coin purse here, and I got this from Club Factory. I thought this was really amazing, and I keep all my coins here, all my change here, because I cannot keep my change in the purse, it becomes too heavy, so I keep my change here. Then I have this cute bag which says it's mine and has a lips at the back, and this is my makeup bag. Here is where I store all of my everyday makeup which I carry along with me, and I also got this from Club Factory. I will leave the link of the haul down below so that you guys can check that out. They have really cute stuff there, and I'm just going to open this and I'm going to show you what's in here. Okay, so first thing which I have here is a mirror, and this is the mirror. I don't want to blind you guys. So this is the mirror and this is the design of it. I think I got this from a local fair here, and this was really cute, so I keep this in my bag. Then I have a few lip care thingies, one of which would be the Vaseline Lip Care Total Moisturizer, and I also have a Nivea Original Care. I like this one better than the other color ones that are there, just because I feel this does nourish my lips, and the color ones I'm not that big a fan of. So that's that. And then I have this Sephora Kiss Me lip balm. This is not exactly I would call a lip balm. This actually acts as a lip color too. This is how it looks. The shape is like an EOS, but this adds color to your lips and nourishes it as well. Then I have the Maybelline New York White Super Fresh Compact, and this is the compact which I carry with me. I used to carry the Inglot translucent powder for touch-ups, but these days I'm using this Maybelline one because I think it's quite affordable and it really works out for me. Next we have, oh, I forgot about this. I also have a Maybelline Baby Lips here, and this is the Berry Crush. I feel that Maybelline is really good for your lips, and I use it every single day. And I have two eye products here. I don't keep much eye products or face products. It's mostly lip care products and lipsticks. So the two eye products here I have is the Colossal Kajal and the Colossal Liner. These are the only two products which I carry if I need to touch up on my kajal or my liner. Then we have a ton of lip products here, and again a huge disclaimer, most of it is nudes and pinks and mauves, so just be ready. I have this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is the color San Paulo. Next I have this one lipstick from Maybelline. This is their Rebel Bouquet collection, and this is REB07. Again, a very pinkish nude color. Let me swatch this and show you. So this is the color. Then I have number 590 Blushing Berry from L'Oreal. Again, a very pinkish berry color. Second one here. Oh boy, I have a ton of lip products here, I never realized. And I have 3 more lip care products here, and 2 of them are glosses and one is a lip pencil. This is the Color Bar Take Me As I Am lip pencil, and this is Bare Dare Pink. Again, a nude color, nudish pink. The last lipstick which I have is from MAC, and this is their matte collection, and it's D for Danger. This is a dark one. I don't use this often, but sometimes I do go for this dark colors because I love that. And then I have 2 glosses. One is from Color Bar, and this is their Sheer Glass lip gloss, and this is Nude Light. Let me swatch it somewhere here. So this is again a very nudish color. And last but not the least, I have Telluride from Bobbi Brown, and this is a lip gloss as well, more like a tube tint. And well, this is the color down here. So as you saw, I have a ton of lip products there. Now I'm going to move on to the rest of the stuff which is here. So I can see this right off the bat, so I'm going to show you this one first. So this is the Victoria's Secret Aqua Kiss Fragrance Mist, and this has a very nice smell. Let me just, oh my god, this is such a daytime scent that you will rock this, and this smells absolutely fantastic. Like a lot of people, I do not keep my phone inside my bag just because I like to carry it in my hand. Right now I have no cover on, and I have the iPhone 5s. Okay, then we have this pouch here. This is a transparent pouch. I actually got this from Color Bar just because I bought too much makeup. Hashtag makeup problems. So this one contains actually all the toiletries or the body hair stuff that I carry. Again, not much product here, but I have my faithful comb without which I cannot leave the house. And then I have a hand cream. So this is the Mini Pet Floral Hand Cream, and this is how this opens up and looks. I love this hand cream just because it's very small and easy to carry. Again, I got this from Nykaa, and I think this is from the company The Face Shop. Then I have this Nivea Whitening Deodorant Smooth Skin, even toned and smoother underarms for my underarms. I think this really works for my underarms, and they don't smell at all. This is a really good product, and I definitely highly recommend this. Then I have 2 scents here. So I have a mist from Sephora, and this is the Vanilla Mist, and smells absolutely like vanilla, so you can just spritz in your hand and you're good to go. And the other thing that I have is a perfume selfie. I will leave the link of the video down below where I explain what this product is and how do you get it. And in this I carry a small scent here. Currently I'm using the one which is Emperor from Urban Woman. So you just put it here and you can spritz it, because I have day scents but I don't have a night scent that I could carry, and this is a very good night scent. Moving on, the only thing left in the center compartment is this, and this is a pair of sunnies. So this is just a normal regular pair of sunglasses. I got this from Bangalore if I remember correctly, or from Hyderabad, I don't know. And this is how they look on. These are the current ones which I am wearing every single day these summers, and they will definitely help me out in this temperature because it's getting really hot in here in Hyderabad, and definitely you need a pair of sunnies. Moving on to this section here, I have in the smaller pouch my house keys, and they're nothing fancy. It's just one key with a keychain, and this is how it looks. But I also carry a handkerchief just because again it's hot out, it's summers, and handkerchief can do a lot good in this weather, let me tell you that. I also have a pen here but no notepad, just because I think I can write things off my hand or somewhere else. Usually I use my phone and I type in my notes, but still, in order to look fancy and relatable and really organized, I have a pen lying around just in case if I need it someday. I also have this hand sanitizer just because, as I've mentioned before, killing germs is my hobby and I love to do that, so this helps me out in my journey. And I also have a clusher here just because I have really long hair and sometimes I need to put it all together and remove the mess from my face, and also a hair tie, because what girl doesn't have a hair tie in her bag? That's really necessary. Now lastly, I have this compartment left, which again has nothing fancy in it, but only 2 products. So my iPhone charger, and there is another pouch in this. I got this pouch from Club Factory, and this was supposed to contain both my headphones and my charger, but unfortunately I can only store my headphones in it. So I have my iPhone headphones stored in here. iPhone headphone, wow, that rhymes. iPhone headphones stored in here, and I keep those 2 things here. And that was everything that's in my bag and how I organize it. That was everything in my bag and how I organize it. My bag is empty, so I have to put the things back again in here. But thank God it's organized, because if it's not organized, I would not be able to find anything, and I will fill up my bag with a lot of junk. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it, loved it, enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you guys get notified of all my videos as soon as they are uploaded. All my social media links will be in the description bar, so go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next time, live long and prosper, my fellow earthlings.